Depending on what data you look at, only 1% of the Philippine population invests in the local stock market. So why is that? Even after the effort of the government and financial institution to promote, educate, and increase public awareness about the local stock market. Hi mga ma'am sir, welcome to Generics Vlog and thank you to your support through subscribing to my channel. Today, Philippine economy seen recovering from the pandemic. And how does the stock market help economy's growth? The stock market allows private company to go on public so they can raise public funding, they can pay off their debts and grow and expand their businesses, and it will create new jobs to Filipinos. And the stock market also affect the bond market and the pension funds, since the large part of the pension funds are invested in the stock market. So if there is an increase in the share or stocks, then it will also raise the value of the fund, and it will affect the future pension payment. And same goes to an individual who have ownership on companies through buying shares to the stock market, where they can buy and sell their ownership to the said assets. And in the event if there is a bull market or bull run, where the prices of the stocks are going up, investors or traders tend to spend more on expensive items, or it is also known as wealth effect, and it will positively impact the economy. Knowing this, what's the real issue keeping the stock market at 1%? It is my pleasure to explain it to you mga ma'am sir. So, the number one reason is no money, or I don't have money to invest. That's the number one given by most of us, probably true. But we cannot accept that reasonings, because all of us will not have an investment. And we all know that there is no ending on what we can spend on. So we really need to force ourselves to invest. And we can invest even it is a small amount. We can start at GCash. You can invest at 50 pesos. Number 2, lack of awareness or knowledge. What I have noticed that awareness is higher amongst Filipino who have high or better income, or the higher the income, the more knowledgeable. So most of the people is under impression that you need to be rich to start investing, or you need to have money to make money. But this is not entirely true. In the age of internet, knowledge about stock market and how it functions doesn't hold up anymore. Number 3, bahala na attitude. This means we leave our future to fate. First, we leave the fate of our future to the hands of our family member. And some parents even expect or impose their children to take care of them financially when they are old and sick. Number 4, the Yolo Mentality. Or you only live once. So this affect our younger generation. They tend to spend more on gadgets, travel, food takeouts, and everything that they can experience. And investment is already at their bottomless. But we can expose them into money management, so they will have a better idea what to prioritize. Number 5, scam. But there's a lot of way to identify if it's scam or legit. What you all need to do is do your own due diligence. If the return is unrealistic, it says triple, double, then we need to be careful. And as you hear the news, there's a lot of people in Visayas and Mindanao fall on this trap.
Nasa 1.5 milyong piso naman ang na-invest ni Fidel kasama ng kanyang may bahay.
May pa lang, nahalata na, inaano na ako. Kaya nung May, nagpail na ako sa kanya ng, ripa na lang, chairman, yung, balik mo lang sa akin punang ko, di ko kailangan ng tubo. Kasi kung ngayon, ang laki ng pera ko ngayon, like, may 8 million na sana. Kung yan, nakabili na ako ng sasakyan, hindi nga ako, naglalakad na nga lang ako eh. Dalawa na nga ang salamin ko sa paghirap ko sa kawiwilgin ko sa Amerika.
What I can see the problem is, wala pa gani ang profit ato nag-imagine kung sa atong pwedeng makuha if atong i-invest atong kwarta nila, and lack of financial literacy or education. In general, it can be the 5 characteristics why Filipinos are not investing in the local stock market. On my end, I started trading or investing at the age of 25 since it was not introduced to me during my younger years. And because my father is not investor and his father's too. And I believe majority of the Filipinos families are not investor. As per T. Harv Eker, the author of The Secret of Millionaire's Mind, what monkey see, monkey do. So, we learn to handle wealth or money from our parents. To wrap this up, clearly, financial literacy is long way to go to our fellow Filipinos. But I will not stop my own personal advocacy, and if you find this video helpful and informative, please like, share, and subscribe, and you can also click that notification bell again so you will be updated on my next upload. Thank you mga mamsel.